So hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to open the iPad screen. Okay, so actually I've opened this iPad screen cover. So this is actually made up of plastic. I opened this in my video, so please check out that video. I actually opened this using this ointment or paste, what you call. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open this inside that panel. I think it's an LCD panel, so I will open it. So you need a micro screwdriver to open it. So actually there are 4 screws. Okay, in this video I'm going to just open and show you what may be the reason. So my iPad, I just dropped my iPad from a height of about 3 feet, so from that time it's not working. I'm just going to check out what's the reason for my repair of my iPad. So now I'm just going to open, so just follow. Okay, it's pretty simple to open it. Just the screw over here and just take it. So keep it safe because you can't get the screws that easily. Okay, and you need to be really specific with the screw, okay, because very few screwdrivers can open. You need to find the exact size. It should not be too small or too big. I think many of them will be having larger in sizes, so you need to go and buy this small one. This is especially made for repairing mobile watches like that. So now I've taken all the 4 screws. Okay, so now as you can see here, if I now just remove, okay, be careful, just remove it. So okay, that's interesting. So this is the reason why my iPad didn't work. So this knob, okay, this is a connecting knob between that what's the main motherboard and this is the display. So it's like the CPU and monitor. So basically, so this wire is loosened and it didn't display. This somehow got disconnected from the display panel, so I didn't get any display basically. So this is the reason for my iPad. So this is how you need to open this screen. So okay, so that's it. Mindset Program channel. Also check the videos of my channel, and thanks for watching.